my advice to NFL teams would be, if I was going to do it, if you do not desperately need a quarterback, then don't pay somebody that's going to sit on your bench. Don't pay them first round money. Pay that money to somebody that's going to help your team. Somebody that's going to be a good running back to take the pressure off your quarterback. Somebody that's going to be an offensive lineman that's going to protect the quarterback. Somebody that's going to be a defensive lineman and help your defense if you have a weak defense. Fill those gaps first. You don't need to pay somebody who's going to sit on your bench first round money if they're going to probably never even start for you, or if they do, it's not going to be a pretty situation.